Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to add multiple links to Instagram. Now the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Instagram application first and then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on edit profile. Okay, now just click on add link. Okay. Then from here, you can now see this option here, which is the add external link. So you just have to tap on that. Okay. Now you can type out the URL here, and you can also add a title for that URL. So you just have to click on the save icon at the top right corner of your screen. Okay. Now you can add more links. So you just have to tap on the same thing again and then add a URL, and then you can also save it without um, putting a title. You can add up to 5 links in your Instagram, but be sure that your Instagram application is updated so you can be able to use this feature. Okay, so make sure to go to your App Store or Play Store application and then check for any updates so you could have this feature on Instagram. So that's it. That's how you can add multiple links to Instagram. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.